Hey guys, here's a website that has paid out over $1 million to people just like you. So I'm going to show you the website, how to use it, and how you can get a slice of that pie too. So let's check out the stats first so you can see for yourself what kind of traffic levels it gets. So the website today has got 196,000 global rank. Country rank is Spain, 7,000, but they accept and they work with people like you all over the world. So if you have an audience on the internet or you're building an audience, you should be able to work with this website and get some of that, that $1 million payout that I'll tell you more about that in a second. So traffic overview, they are getting over 300,000 visits a month. It's dipped down slightly to 200,000. That's okay. It's still a sizable audience. And most of that audience is actually made up of influencers and brands who want to connect with these influencers. So I'll show you how it works anyway. Traffic by country. So you can see Spain is doing really well here, 57%. Then United States second with 8%. Then Mexico, Peru, Argentina. Let's go down to search. So 27% of the traffic is from search, 100% is organic, 70% direct, 1% from social media. So of that social media traffic, 64% from Facebook, 12% from Twitter, 10% from YouTube, 9% from LinkedIn, and 3% from lovely Reddit. So let's go check out the website. It is called socialpubli.com. So it is the platform that connects brands with influencers. So the best way to create, manage, and measure your campaigns with influencers. So here, the people spending money here are brands. They pay this website, and this website pays influencers for promoting those brands. So if we go down to, let's click on that. It says, do you want to make money with your social media networks? Become an influencer. And then a sign up button there. Let's go down. So here it shows you that it has paid out over $1 million to influencers. So you might not be an influencer. I don't consider myself an influencer. Most people I know don't consider themselves influencers, but they do have audiences that listen to them, that trust them. And this is a good way of monetizing that audience. If you ask me personally, I don't do that. Not with Profit Copilot. I have done it, and I do it with my other websites, and I know that it can be very profitable. So they've paid out over $1 million. There's 3,000 successful campaigns, 800 satisfied customers. And they will work with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and your blog. So take the time to go through this page. It's under influencers. See if it's right for you. And also, this is really interesting. If you're into affiliate marketing, they will give you an affiliate link, and that will give you 5% commission on the people that sign up under that link on campaigns that they earn from, which is a really nice incentive. I'm actually going to include my affiliate link somewhere beneath this. So if you like the look of this, sign up. I'll earn that 5% commission if you earn from this. If you don't want to use my affiliate link, then just go to socialpubli.com. It says influencers and micro influencers. So you can even use this if you don't have a massive audience. It's perfectly fine. You should be able to make some money out of this. And they are paying out an awful lot of money to influencers. Now, I said I'm not using this myself. I've literally just found it today. Someone sent me a link and they said, hey, Mick, check this out. What do you think? So I'm sharing this with you today. That's why I'm sharing it, because I think, well, hey, it might help you out too. And I might start using it, not too sure. But let's go ahead. Let's sign up so you can get started as an influencer, as a brand. Let's go for influencer. If we click on that, you can sign up with Google, or you can do it manually if you want to. I have already signed up, so let me go ahead and sign in. And the dashboard looks like this. And as you can see, I really am not using this to make money yet. Maybe I will for some of my other websites. Let's see. So at the top here, we've got my dashboard, which is where we are at right now. Remember, get member. If we click on that, check this out. That's where you're going to find your affiliate link. So you might want to share that on social media, encourage other people to sign up under this link. It also gives you a banner to use, different size banners. They're really handy stuff. Then if we go to my social networks, there you can add all the social media networks that you work with. So if you have a sizable audience or even a small audience on Twitter or Instagram, YouTube, wherever, you can add it here, and then brands will be able to check that out, see if they want to work with you, and then do it through this platform. So that's how you add your social media accounts there. And then if we go to my income, you can see I'm earning nothing at the moment. Maybe come back in a few months and we'll see how things are doing. But there you can see it gives you the latest invoices and income. Now, before you start using this properly, I want you to click on this button there and go down to welcome. And I want you to click on billing. So this is really important. So you fill in your billing information. You have to make at least $50 to get paid out, and the payment is every 30 days. That's okay. So it's a pretty easy way to make money from your existing audience, right? But how do you get that audience? Well, I'm going to show you the most powerful traffic strategy that I have. I'm going to give it to you for free when you go to profitcopilot.com/traffic. Grab that, won't cost you a penny. It will show you how to build an audience, and then you can monetize that if you want to. And if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up below, subscribe to the channel too, hit that little notification bell so you never miss an update from me, and I will hopefully see you again in a couple of days' time. Take care.